Good morning, people. Back with me, Elizabeth, in NS News. Today, we bring you updates on situation that we can see unfold in Thailand. Currently, Crimea's availability is getting worse, leading to rainfall across numerous regions in Thailand, resulting in massive flooding that has damaged hundreds of households. Many residents have been forced to leave their homes. The rising water levels could cause health issues and accidents, but the challenging transportation conditions and the combination of high humidity and low temperatures creates an ideal environment for bacteria to grow. Additionally, water is carrying away dirt and diseases, mixing them together, potentially increasing the spread of bacteria, viruses, and carrier animals. Furthermore, the rising water has adversely affected both animals and poisonous creatures, forcing them to migrate towards human residents. This has resulted in property damage and health issues for people in affected areas. The variable climate changes are causing continued flooding, making it easier for diseases to spread rapidly. Stay tuned for updates from our Thai field reporters. สวัสดีค่ะคุณจิตดีคะ
สวัสดีค่ะคุณอลิซาเบธดิฉันจิตดีนะคะตอนนี้นะคะเรามาเกาะติดสถานการณ์น้ำท่วมในพื้นที่บ้านปูหยุดนะคะตำบลทานโตจังหวัดยะลากันค่ะจากสภาพภูมิประเทศนะคะเป็นทางระบายน้ำของคลองสายหลัก2นะคะซึ่งตลอดมาเนี่ยน้ำพัดพาตะกอนทับถมจนทางระบายน้ำเนี่ยแคบนะคะซึ่งในช่วงน้ำหลากนะคะทำให้ไม่สามารถระบายน้ำได้ทันนะคะจนเกิดน้ำท่วมหมู่บ้านบริเวณด้านเหนือน้ำนะคะพื้นที่ดังกล่าวถูกน้ำท่วมซ้ำซากเป็นประจำนะคะบางปีก็2 ครั้งบางปีก็ปีละครั้งค่ะซึ่งประชาชนในพื้นที่นะคะได้รับผลกระทบประมาณ90กว่าครัวเรือนค่ะคุณอลิซาเบธ
ขอบคุณค่ะคุณจิตดีคะ These days, nearly everywhere is currently experiencing heavy rain. The top disease that comes with flooding is Leptospirosis, which has mice as carriers, often spread during the rainy season and flooding. If our body have wounds, it's easy to get infected with leptospirosis. Therefore, we need to be conscious, especially during this situation. The symptoms of leptospirosis include high fever, headache, muscle pain, especially cough pain, nausea, vomiting, and red eyes. To prevent it, you need to get rid of rats. Wear boots. And practicing good hand hygiene. Another disease that comes with flooding is melioidosis, also called Whitmore disease. It is caused by bacteria found in contaminated soil and water. The chief complaint of melioidosis is joint pain, bone pain, chest pain, high fever lasting more than 3 days, and a tendency to progress to shock. And the prevention is drinking boiled waters, wearing boots, cleaning yourself right after any contact with soil, or avoiding contact with soil altogether. This disease can be completely cured if detected in early phases. If you experience any symptom mentioned, please consult a doctor immediately. The next disease is conjunctivitis, also known as pink eyes, mostly caused by the adenovirus. It's often spread in communities and schools. The symptoms including pink or red color in the whites of the eyes, numerous eye flags, itching, and swelling. To prevent this disease, it's essential to always wash your hands. If there is a dust in your eyes, avoiding rubbing them. Instead, use water to wash your eyes. Dengue is also a disease that occurs often during flooding, caused by dengue virus with Aedes mosquitoes as carriers. In febrile phase, you will have high fever for around 2 to 7 days, along with symptoms such as anorexia, nausea, vomiting, stomach ache, rash or red spot all over your body. In critical phases, your fever will starting to cooling down, drowsiness, sweating, reduced urine output, and easy breathing. In severe cases, it can lead to shock, and in extremely situation may result in death. The phases last 24 to 28 hours. In recovery phases, all symptoms will getting better with a return of appetite and increased urine output. Although the rest or red spot may remain, they will fade over time. To prevent the disease is avoiding places with high concentration of mosquito, sleeping in room free of mosquito, eliminate mosquito breeding sites, and regularly change water in container like flower vases. Additionally, vaccination is an effective measure to prevent this disease. Another disease is diarrhea, typically caused by contaminated food. Symptoms include loose and watery stools more than 3 times per day, along with mucus or blood in stools, fever, dizziness, heart palpitations, and reduced urine output. To prevent the diarrhea, it's essential to wash your hands regularly with soap, ensure to proper cooking for food, and do not excrement to flood water to prevent the spread of infection. And the last disease is influenza, a respiratory infection caused by influenza viruses. The chief complaints are high fever, sneezing, sore throat, tiredness, anorexia, and muscle pain. And prevention measures including washing your hands with soap, keeping your body warm, avoiding wearing wet clothing or leaving yourself wet for extended period, and wearing a mask. If you are experiencing some of the symptoms mentioned so far, please consult with a doctor. And the last thing is that a disaster is something we hope won't happen to us. However, if it does, everyone should know how to handle it. Taking care and protecting their own health appropriately by following advice, this helps preventing or minimizing the harm of the previous mentioned diseases. For your own good health, don't forget to follow our advice. And this is our top headlines. Thank you so much for waking up and spending your time with us. Hoping everyone has a great day. Once again, my name is Elizabeth and this is NS News. Stay safe and God bless us all.